श्रीराम समर्थ श्रीराम. दशक दुसरा मूर्ख लक्षणांचा. समास आठवा सद्विद्या निरूपण.
दशक 2 Signs of Fool. Chapter 8 Good Knowledge. श्रीराम.
ऐका सद्विद्येची लक्षणे, परमशुद्ध सुलक्षणे, विचार घेता बळेची बाणे, सद्विद्या अंगी.
Please listen to the signs of good knowledge. They are very good characteristics of a pure nature. And when we go on thinking about them, good knowledge or wisdom is developed within us.
सद्विद्येचा जो पुरुष तो उत्तम लक्षणी विशेष, त्याचे गुण ऐकता संतोष परम वाटे.
A man of wisdom is a special person with virtues by listening to whom we become very happy.
भाविक सात्विक प्रेमळ, शांती क्षमा दयाशीळ, लीन तत्पर केवळ, अमृतवचनी.
He is emotional, faithful, pious, loving, peaceful, having pity and has a forgiving nature. He is humble, always diligent, and his talk is always sweet.
परम सुंदर आणि चतुर, परम सबळ आणि धीर, परम संपन्न आणि उदार, अतिशयेसी.
He is handsome and clever, strong and patient, rich and charitable to a great degree.
परम ज्ञाता आणि भक्त, महापंडित आणि विरक्त, महातपस्वी आणि शांत, अतिशयेसी.
He is intelligent and yet a devotee, erudite and yet desireless, a great yogi and yet very peaceful.
वक्ता आणि नैराशता, सर्वज्ञ आणि सादरता, श्रेष्ठ आणि नम्रता, सर्वत्रासी.
He is a good orator and yet has no selfish ends to meet. He knows all things and yet he is respectful. He is great and yet very courteous to all.
राजा आणि धार्मिक, शूर आणि विवेक, तारुण्य आणि नेमक, अतिशयेसी.
He is a ruler like a king and yet very religious. He is brave and self-controlled, young and yet very good in his habits.
वृद्धाचारी कुळाचारी, युक्ताहारी निर्विकारी, धन्वंतरी परोपकारी, पद्महस्ती.
He follows the path of his ancestors and his family tradition. He takes proper food and is without vices. He is a good doctor and he has an obliging nature. He has healing power in his hands.
कार्यकर्ता निराभिमानी, गायक आणि वैष्णवजनी, वैभव आणि भगवत भजनी, अत्यादरे.
He is a worker without pride. He is a singer and a devotee of Vishnu. He is very rich but a worshipper of God with full respect.
तत्वज्ञ आणि उदासीन, बहुश्रुत आणि सज्जन, मंत्री आणि सगुण, नीतिवंत.
He is a philosopher and an ascetic. Even though he is well read and has listened to a lot of things, he is a thorough gentleman. Though he is a mantrik, he is morally good and virtuous man.
साधू पवित्र पुण्यशील, अंतरशुद्ध धर्मात्मा कृपाळ, कर्मनिष्ठ स्वधर्मे निर्मळ, निर्लोभ अनुतापी.
He is a sage, pure, doing good deeds, having a clean heart, essentially religious and benevolent. He has great faith in his duty and follows his religious duties as well. He is having cleanliness and he has no greed but is remorseful.
गोडी आवडी परमार्थ प्रीती, सन्मार्ग सत्क्रिया धारणा धृती, श्रुती स्मृती लीळा युक्ती, स्तुती मती परीक्षा.
His virtues are interest in spiritual life, path of virtue, good actions, courage, a readiness to listen to Vedas, good art, and he knows how to praise others. He has got a great fact and a great tact as well as capacity to judge others.
दक्ष धूर्त योग्य तार्किक सत्य साहित्य नेमक भेदक कुशळ चपळ चमत्कारिक नाना प्रकारे.
He is alert, shrewd, worthy, logical, truthful, lover of literature, punctual, discreet, skillful, supple, and has many strange ways of accomplishments.
आदर सन्मान तारतम्य जाणे प्रयोग समयोग प्रसंग जाणे कार्याकारण चिन्हे जाणे विचक्षण बोलिका.
He knows to respect and honor others. He has got a great sense of propriety. He knows what to do at what time and understands by signs the cause and effect. He is a good speaker.
सावध साक्षेपी साधक आगम निगम शोधक ज्ञान विज्ञान बोधक निश्चयात्मक.
He is aware, particular, a seeker of self-realization, a deep student of Vedas and other sciences. He can teach knowledge and science very accurately.
पुरश्चरणी तीर्थवासी दृढवती काया क्लेसी उपासक निग्रहासी करू जाणे.
In the field of spiritual effort, he is having a liking to repeat mantras, go on pilgrimages, take vows, even though troublesome to his body, and is a worshipper who is very steadfast.
सत्यवचनी शुभवचनी कोमळवचनी एकवचनी निश्चयवचनी सौख्यवचनी सर्वकाळ.
He talks true and good, kind and definite, and generally keeps his words and gives happiness to others when he talks.
वासना तृप्त सखोल योगी भव्य सुप्रसन्न वीतरागी सौम्य सात्विक शुद्ध मार्गी निष्कपट निर्व्यसनी.
His passions are already satisfied and quiet. He knows yoga very deeply. His appearance is majestic, very pleasing, soft, and being a follower of path of goodness. He is pious, has no bad habits, and has subdued his desires.
सुगड संगीत गुणग्राही अनापेक्षी लोकसंग्रही आर्जव सख्य सर्वही प्राणिमात्रासी.
He knows music. He appreciates good qualities. He is a social person with unselfish friendliness with all and has a very straightforward nature.
द्रव्य सूची दारा सूची न्याय सूची अंतर सूची प्रवृत्ती सूची निवृत्ती सूची सर्व सूची निस्संगपणे.
He is pure in respect of earning money, faithful to his wife, just in his behavior, clean in his heart, and his activities as well as withdrawal from activities is very proper and blotless. He is unattached.
मित्रपणे परहितकारी वाग्माधुर्य परशोकहारी सामर्थ्यपणे वेत्रधारी पुरुषार्थे जगन्मित्र.
Being friendly, he helps others and alleviates their suffering, having a very sweet manner in talking. He has got the power to protect by his valor. He is friend to all.
संशय छेदक विशाळ वक्ता सकळ क्लुप्त असोनी श्रोता कथा निरूपणी शब्दार्था जाऊच नेदी.
He removes doubts and is a great orator, ready to listen even though he is knowing many things. And when he explains any problem or tells a story, he does not miss the right meaning.
वेवाद रहित संवादी संग रहित निरोपाधी दुराशा रहित अक्रोधी निर्दोष निर्मत्सरी.
He does not argue, but holds a good dialogue. He is not entangled and has no impediments. He does not hope against hope. He does not get angry or jealous and has no defects.
विमळ ज्ञानी निश्चयात्मक समाधानी आणि भजक सिद्ध असोनी साधक साधन रक्षी
He has pure knowledge, which is definite. He is contented and a devotee. He maintains his daily practice, though he has become an adept.
सुख रूप संतोष रूप आनंद रूप हास्य रूप ऐक्य रूप आत्म रूप सर्वत्रासी.
He gives happiness, satisfaction, bliss, and has a sense of humor and unity with all.
भाग्यवंत जयवंत रूपवंत गुणवंत आचारवंत क्रियावंत विचारवंत स्थिती.
He is fortunate, victorious, beautiful, virtuous, practical, in good behavior, and very thoughtful.
येशवंत कीर्तिवंत शक्तिवंत सामर्थ्यवंत वीर्यवंत वरदवंत सत्यवंत सुकृती.
He is well known, famous, strong, having good capacity, and he is lover of truth with good merit, as also a brave person who can bless others.
विद्यावंत कळावंत लक्ष्मीवंत लक्षणवंत कुळवंत सुचिष्मंत बळवंत दयाळू.
He is educated, an artist, rich, having good things, belonging to good noble family. He is strong and kind.
युक्तिवंत गुणवंत वरिष्ठ बुद्धिवंत बहुधारिष्ट दीक्षावंत सदा संतुष्ट निस्पृह वितरागी.
He is tactful, a great man of intellect and qualifications, very courageous, learned, initiated, and always satisfied with his condition. He has no desires or passions.
असो ऐसे उत्तम गुण हे सद्विद्येचे लक्षण अभ्यासाया निरूपण अल्पमात्र बोलिले.
Thus are the qualities that are good, the signs of good knowledge and wisdom, which I have told you in short for studying them.
रूप लावण्य अभ्यासिता नये सहज गुणास न चले उपाये काहीतरी धरावी सोये अगांतुक गुणाची.
By study, you cannot have physical beauty. What is natural cannot be changed. So one should try to develop new qualifications.
ऐसी हे सद्विद्या बरवी सर्वत्रापासी असावी परी विरक्त पुरुषे अभ्यासावी अगत्य रूप.
Such good knowledge is expected to be possessed by all. But for a person who is ascetic, it is very necessary to develop it.
इति श्री दासबोधे गुरु शिष्य संवादे सद्विद्या निरूपण नाम समास 8वा श्रीराम.
Thus, in the second dashak of Dasbodh, in the dialogue between the Guru and the disciple, this 8th chapter, by name Good Knowledge, is completed here. Shri Ram, Samartha Shri Ram.